In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Monday.com time tracking easier so you can stop guessing where your time goes and start managing your projects more efficiently. If you've ever felt like tracking hours inside Monday.com is confusing or underused, this step-by-step guide will simplify everything. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, easy system for tracking time, monitoring workloads, and understanding exactly how long tasks are taking. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is add a time tracking column to your board. So go ahead and open your board inside Monday.com. This can be any project board where you manage tasks for yourself or your team. Once you're inside the board, look to the far right of your existing columns and click the plus icon to add a new column. A panel will appear showing different column types you can add. In the search bar, type in Time Tracking. When you see the Time Tracking column option appear, click on it to add it to your board. Instantly, you'll now have a dedicated column that allows you to track time directly within each task. This is the foundation for making time tracking easier, because instead of using external tools or manual calculations, everything stays inside Monday.com. Now that the column is added, let's talk about how to start tracking time easily. Inside the time tracking column, you'll see a small play or start timer icon next to each task. Whenever you begin working on a task, simply click that start timer button. The timer will begin running automatically in the background while you continue working. You don't need to open another window or use a separate stopwatch. When you're finished working on that task, just return to the board and click Stop Timer. Monday.com will automatically calculate and log the total time spent. The total duration will update right inside the column, giving you an accurate record without any manual math. This makes it incredibly simple for both individuals and teams to consistently track hours without overcomplicating the process. If you forget to start the timer, you can also manually adjust log time inside the column, which is helpful if you need to correct entries or add time after the fact. The key here is consistency. The easier the system is, the more likely you and your team are to actually use it. Now let's make this even more powerful by using Monday.com's default views to monitor and analyze time. First, switch to Table View if you're not already there. Table View gives you a clean spreadsheet-style overview where you can quickly scan the time tracking column and see how long each task has taken. This is perfect for daily or weekly reviews. Next, try grouping your board by person. When you use Group by Person, you'll instantly see how many hours each team member has logged. This is extremely helpful for workload balancing. If one person is overloaded while someone else has capacity, you'll spot it right away. It also makes reporting much easier if you need to share time summaries with clients or management. Another powerful option is Group by Status. This allows you to see how much time is being spent in different stages of your workflow, like working on it, stuck, or done. For example, if tasks are spending too many hours in a specific stage, that could signal a bottleneck in your process. By simply changing how you view the data, you turn basic time tracking into actionable insights. By combining the time tracking column with smart board views, you transform Monday.com from a simple task manager into a powerful time management system. You'll know exactly where effort is being spent, which tasks take longer than expected, and how to optimize your team's productivity. And that's it. That's how to make Monday.com time tracking easier, usually built-in tools that are already available in your board. Add the time tracking column, start and stop timers consistently, and use grouping and views to analyze your data in seconds. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.